Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial number 8 we are going to see about types of reference geometry. Let's get into the session. Reference geometry. In that first one is plane creation. The plane must be fully constrained by giving some reference to it. First we will see about offset plane. We can modify the offset value and the number of planes. Second we will see about parallel plane. In this we can create a plane, which is to be parallel about any flat face, and the second reference needs some position constraint. Third we will see about perpendicular plane. In this we can create a plane, which is to be perpendicular about any flat face, and the second reference needs some position constraint. Fourth we will see about coincident plane. In this we can create a plane by connecting 3 points or vertex or face. Sixth we will see about tangent parallel or perpendicular plane. In this we can create a plane between cylindrical face and flat face. Seventh we will see about midplane. In this we can create a plane between two adjacent faces. Eighth we will see about angled plane. In this we can create a plane with respect to any face in line. Next we see about creating axis. In this first one is on one line. In this we can create axis line on edges. Second one is two planes. In this we can create axis line between two intersecting or perpendicular plane. Third one is 2 points. In this we can create axis line by connecting 2 points. Fourth one is cylindrical. In this we can create axis line on cylindrical face. Fifth one is point and face. In this we can create axis line between point and a flat face. Next we will see about coordinate system creating. From this option we can be able to customize our model's coordinate system by assigning reference to it. Next we will see about creation of points. In that various types are there. First we will see about arc center. In this we can create a center point on any circular entity. Second we will see about center of face. It will create a point on the center of selection face. Third we will see about intersection. It will create a point between two intersecting edges. Fourth, we will see about projection. It will create a point between point and a plane. Fifth, we will see about on sketch point. It will create a point on sketch vertices point alone. Sixth, we will see about on curve direction. From this we can create point along the selected curve by distance, by percentage, or by equally distant. Next we will see about center of mass. Before that, apply required material to our model. It is the point at which the entire weight of a body may be considered as concentrated, so that if supported at this point the body would remain in equilibrium in any position. If I modify the geometry, the center of mass will get changed according to its weight distribution. Next we will see about bounding box. In that we can be able to create an envelope over our geometry so that it will be useful for envelope dimensions. And the final one is mate reference. I will explain you this in assembly tutorial. Hope you gotten better understanding about reference geometry. Please practice the commands repeatedly. Kindly support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you.